she is. A little predicting genius. Beaky. Now, she might not have been too fussed last time, but she did get it right. She's a reluctant predictor. I think she's a little bit more excited about forthcoming Wimbledon with Tim Henman and John McEnroe. Nonetheless, we're going to give it a go. It's a different arena of prediction this week. We'll see how she does. Okay, as I predicted and as expected, I have momentarily lost the beak. She's no doubt mincing around the marrows. Anyway, let me introduce you to the arena for today. Perfectly simple, self-explanatory, although I will explain. It's, well, I'm going to get to walk the plank, basically. That end, England. That end, Uruguay. Perfectly simple. I'm off to find her. We'll stick her on, see what's going to happen. I found her! She was causing mischief in the marrow. She was slaughtering slugs. And I've told her what she's to do. So, Beaks. Wait. Left or right, Beaky? Go to it. That way is the England win. That way is the Uruguay win. Come on, Beaky. Either way. It's food each end. We've got people rooting. We've got people heading down the bookies with your predictions. We need you to act.
Could be a draw.
Either way, Beaky. Uruguay. England. Choose. See you then. See ya. Caught up with her making her way home. The most disinterested chicken in history. Her bowls are ahead of her. Literally all she has to do is pick either Uruguay or England. Uruguay or England, Beak. It's ever so simple. Please don't walk straight through the middle home. In the name of Nora. Beaky, I'm done. I'm going to get sheep to replace you next game. Oh, off you go then. Off you go. I've no doubt you're thinking the same as me. Enough's enough. And it's getting dark. However, I've just had a thought. And I reckon Beaky's reluctance is Beaky's brilliance. And I think that she thinks that Uruguay-England is going to be a draw. That's why she won't choose, you see. Beaky thinks it's going to be a draw. Good luck, Beaky.